Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, braking assist, power brakes, regenerative braking system, traction control, rear view camera, driver attention alert system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.